Hey folks, MACT back, and this is MACT's Garage, and I get a lot of questions. What do you do with your oil, your coolant, transmission fluid, all that good stuff? So what I'm going to do is show you what I do with it, because a lot of people tend not to know. And in my case, my county has what they call a recycling center. So I'm going to go ahead, load up all my oils and transmission fluids and coolants and everything else that I may have, which is mostly oil, I think, and take you along with me and show you how we do it at the Scott County Recycling Center here in Iowa. And let's go for that drive and take our containers there to dispose of our used fluids. And hey, just go for the ride. Let's follow it. Now, first things first, I do have one container here, pretty well full. And all I do is take it, slide it in there. That's right. Slide this one right back in here, and I got another one. And I got the other one someplace here. I got it back here. I got to pull all this stuff out. Right there it is. Got some garbage in there, my funnel, and an old oil filter. I'll go put this over here. I usually cut these open to check them. I haven't done that lately, but we'll throw that in that box there. And we'll take and put this cap on here. We'll get this one emptied. Take it and put it in the old Rufus Ranger. There we go. Those hold 16 quarts each. I bet you there's probably 12 in each one. So 24 quarts of fluid right there. And then I have something else. What did I do with it? Where is it? There it is. Right here. Pull this out for a second. And in this case, I have just a little bit of coolant in the bottom because I did do a small coolant change. But most of it's oil, so they'll separate it out or dump it all together. But we'll get this put into the back of the truck. Hopefully I don't drive crazy and dump it. But we'll put that in there. Let's go see if we have any other fluids to get rid of. This empty? Oh, yep, that's empty. I keep empty ones around just in case. But it looks like, yeah, I have no used fluids remaining. I could take paint in there if I wanted to. Old cans of spray paints. All that stuff. I could take all that in there and, of course, turn it in. And they'll recycle them or whatever they got to do. Because I think they got things that'll actually empty these cans of their paint. So, I think that's pretty much it. That's just water. That's all that is. And that's it. So, we'll go ahead, take the old Rufus Ranger out to the local recycling center. Sort of trap that in there a little bit so it don't spill. And hopefully drive carefully. That's right. So we got to start up Rufus Ranger and go on our trip. Now this is generally open to all residents of Scott County. I got a new battery in the old Ranger, so it runs pretty good. Starts good, radio works good, gas gauge is working, yay-ha! But anyway, let me get my seatbelt on and let's get going. Driving on the way, got lots of construction, redoing the roads and everything. But we're getting there. It's not that far away. I think it's like maybe a mile and a half away. So not really that far. And right there's a sign that says recycling center. So we turn this way. We just drive up the road. And it's a drive-up drop-off point. They take your containers, and if you don't want them, they'll keep them. But if you want them back, they'll empty them out into bigger bulk tanks and then give them back to you. And that's about as hard as it gets. I think you sign your name, maybe. I'm not even sure about that. But it's mostly just directed and provided as part of a service to the Scott County, Iowa residents. Pretty much a no-fuss thing. You don't have to go through a lot to do this. So there's Scott Area Recycling Center. And we just go straight. Right there is the drive up. As you can see, he's got a cart. And he'll just take the containers right there. So we'll just wait our turn. As you see, they're unloading spray bottles, cans of refinishing stuff, mineral spirits, household waste. Anything you clean out of your closet, under your sink, bathroom, anywhere. Gear lube. He's got all sorts of stuff he's dumping off there. So he's apparently cleaned out his garage shelf, is what it looks like. Getting rid of a lot of stuff. So there's paint in that small barrel. Some paint cans. There you go. I think they may take the paint and mix it up and then give it to people who are in need of free paint, essentially. They just mix it all together and it comes out to just one grayish paint or something like that. So they recycle, reuse, and all that other good stuff. Let's do our turn now. So it says stop, do not exit, somebody will come help me. It's probably due to what's going on. Yeah, I just need those emptied and put back in the truck. So you can see what we got. Okay. Right over there? Okay, I'll go park there then. Thank you. Okay. He wants me to come over and park and wait, I guess. So, as you see, I didn't, due to the whole thing going on right now, basically, all I gotta do is park over here and wait. So we'll test out the old Rufus Ranger air conditioning. Not bad for as old as this truck is. AC still works, buddy. Check that out. May not be 100% fantastic, but I tell you what, on a hot day it still works. Anyway, we'll just go ahead and wait. I'll be back at you. There we go. All set. Everything back in. Thank you. There we go. Got them all emptied. That's about all it takes. Close things up. get it back in the garage, ready to go for the next oil change, which is very shortly. Got to do my EcoBoost oil change, first ever. So let's go get these put away. Well, folks, that's all it is. It took me maybe 45 minutes because I had to wait, plus I went to the auto parts store. So total run 45 minutes, save the environment, all that good stuff. Hoorah, hoorah. But I did not dump it down the creek or down the storm drain. I got rid of it properly with the folks that are paid to do it. So anyway, cost me this much. That's right. Gas in the truck to get there and back. That's about it. So check out your local county recycling centers or your cities and do the right thing. That's all I can say is MACT Garage. Hope you learned a little something how simple it is to recycle and all that good stuff. All your household stuff, oils, coolants, everything. Brake fluids, whatever it is for your car, get rid of it properly and you'll make the environment friendly, or us friendly to the environment. However you want to look at it. But hey, remember, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage on YouTube, also on Facebook. Band of One's always got some great music. Mercy Girl's got one-liners, and my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.